So I am back with another new topic. So today's topic is about traveling alone, having a solo trip. So traveling is beneficial for all of us. We get to know a lot of other new places. We get to explore the new places all around the world. But traveling alone has also the great advantages. So I am going to share 10 benefits of traveling alone. So the first one is you will get to know yourself better, because once you are out there on the road on your own, you are forced to make a decisions on your own. So there is no one to support you. You have to make all the decisions of your trip. You also can overcome your fears. You discover your true self, and you get to know the inside person of yourself. And most important, you will understand the importance of listening to your heart and following to your heart. Point number 2 is it will get you out of your comfort zone. Going to unknown places and destinations will challenge you to learn how to rely on yourself at difficult times. Being away from your comfortable home, it will challenge you in many different ways. It will check your patience. Only by putting yourself out there, you will be able to explore this beautiful planet. So going out of your comfort zone will challenge you in many ways. It will challenge you to grow as an individual. It will challenge you to overcome your fears. It will challenge you to solve many obstacles, to interact with new people. So there are many ways of traveling alone and going out of your comfort zone. So the third one is it will become cheaper. It will become cheaper for yourself to spend your money on your own, on your terms, like what to eat, where to eat, what to shop, where to go, how many adventures you want to spot. So it will become much easier for you to take decisions on spending money. So it will become cheaper for yourself. Fourth point is you will make new friends easier. So when you are out there on your trip, you will meet lot of new people, local people, and you can interact with them and become friends with each other. So the next one is you get to choose your own route. So because you are the only person who is going on a trip, you can decide where you want to go and how much time you want to spend at that place. But when you are in a group, you have to take care of each and everyone. You also have to go to the places where you don't want to go and the other person is wanting to go there. So here in a solo trip, you can plan your trips the way benefits you the most, and you also can plan other activities. So there is a freedom of planning your trip the way you want, planning the route you want to take, planning the places you want to explore. So the next one is you will learn how to rely on yourself, because you are the only person in trip. You have to make decisions on yourself. You have to make decisions at difficult times. You have to listen to your heart, and you have to trust your heart to take the decisions. You have to make your own choices, and listening to your heart and making decisions on your own will also help you further in life. And taking decisions on the difficult situations will make you a fierce person. So the next point is it will boost your confidence. Being on your own on the road will help you gain valuable skills and turn you into a more confident person. The experience of traveling alone challenge your limits and ability to cope up with the difficult situations, to cope up with the obstacles, and it will grow you as a person and as a human being. Just being on a trip on your own itself a challenge, and it will realize you to that you can achieve anything if you set your mind and you keep going on. So the next one is you will start enjoying your company, because once you are out there on the road on your own, there is no one with you to talk with, only you are there. So you will understand the meaning of me time. You will appreciate your own company, and being on the road all alone will help you to contact with yourself, and it will enhance your relationships with yourself, and you will enjoy this time you spend on your own. So the next point is it is good for our well-being. Each one of us will admit that traveling makes us happy and excited. It can reduce our stress, it calm our mind and body, and show us one of the most important reasons why we live on this planet. So these are some benefits of traveling alone. I hope you all get my point, that what I am trying to say. If you are planning to traveling alone or going on a solo trip, it will be fantastic. Just go ahead. And if you feel like subscribing this channel, please do subscribe.